Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to review a product here on Curiosity Cafe. I'm going to review the Eufy doorbell cam. Now, I know a lot of you guys have watched me for a long time, know that I've always used the Ring doorbell cam, and I show it in a lot of my videos. But guys, this one is the same amount of money, but it advertises as a larger range of view, better quality image, and it pulls up faster on my devices. I'm going to see if that's true. We're going to put it to the test. It's going to be a lot of fun. I got this, and I just thought this would be something you guys would be interested in seeing because I know I am. So let's get right to it. All right, so this really appealed to me because, well, a couple reasons. One, no storage fees. The Ring, $3 a month. If you have more than 3, it's $10 a month. I wanted to eliminate that $10 a month. And I've been using Ring for a long time. The leg is frustrating. It takes a while to pull up on my devices. So I wanted something with faster response, something with a larger range, because I can't see if I'm getting packages anymore because the camera only shows so much. Apparently this has a larger range. So it all was appealing to me. The price point was the same. I figured I'd give it a shot. Why not? And I figured you might be interested too, because I know a lot of people out there are interested in security cameras. I mean, it's important, right? And to be able to communicate with your people when you're not home, super, super important. And that's what really appealed to me with the Ring. So let's open this thing up. I want to see what it looks like, and then I'm going to do a comparison. I'd love to see a side-by-side, personally, to see how well that it works, because they can say all they want, but does it really work? I don't know. We're going to find out. All right. Comes in a nice little package. I kind of like the way they packaged it, and there it is right there. There's your camera. Setup process. I don't know what the setup process is going to be. I'm sure they have their own app, and then I can sync it with the Alexa app like I can with the Ring. Probably exactly the same. Probably won't get too much into that on today's video, but I imagine it'll be pretty easy, and I'll let you know at the end of the video how easy it was. So inside of here, you know, you have your camera. It's actually a little bit smaller than the Ring is. Slightly longer, I would say by about an inch, but about half the width. So that's nice if you have like a smaller trim location where you can mount it. And it will have, it looks like it has all these different mounting cable. It has the charging cables. It's even got the screws with the anchors. And then it's got a little plate right here and an angle plate. That's nice. I know the older Rings used to have angle plates because depending on where you're located, you might want to have a little bit of an angle, right? And it does have an angle plate, so you can see a little bit of an angle there. And then there's your mounting plate there, and then you've got your camera. So I imagine it probably goes like that. Yeah, exactly like that. Pretty cool. There's a little thing here. I guess you'll pull that out to start the battery. You can actually charge it, so I'll go ahead and do that now. It has a little bit of charge to it. It already lit up, which is nice. There's your little piece. This is a really pretty camera. It looks really nice. And there it is lighting up there. It's starting to sync, it looks like. So we'll go ahead and sync it. I'll go ahead and download the app, and I'll go ahead and just, let's check out the quality. Let's check out a comparison between the Ring doorbell cam and this one. Same price point, supposedly better quality, more range, but we're going to find out if that's true. First of all, you'll notice with the Eufy, immediately it recognizes me walk up. I'm still waiting for the Ring to pick up. And I'm walking up, and you can see the whole range of me walking up. And look at below, you can see my feet. That's where packages go. Ring finally picked up, and as you can see, the Eufy's brighter. It's a little bit clearer to see, so that is my first impression. I am definitely not an expert when it comes to security cameras, but I know 3 things. 1, I don't like paying subscription fees. 2, I want to be able to communicate quickly and efficiently with the person. And I want high-quality video, and I want it to work at night. One of the biggest concerns I had about switching from Ring to another security camera is, can it work with Alexa? Well, the answer is yes, it can. In fact, it's really easy to do through this skill setting on the Alexa app under Discover Devices. And I was able to do it. I was able to do it really fast. And so now I can pull it up, and it pulls up way faster than my Ring ever did. So there's my quick take on the Eufy doorbell cam. I'm not an expert by any means on security cameras, but I am a consumer and I am a user like a lot of you, and I look for a few things. I want something that saves me some money, and Ring I was paying $10 a month. This I don't have to pay anything. It has internal storage. I can do 90 days worth of videos and not have to worry about paying any fees. So, and it stores it internally, which I actually prefer over the cloud. The quality is really important to me, whereas this has that 2K quality. It has great night vision. I haven't had a chance to test it in night vision, but I looked at the reviews before I bought this, and everybody says how good it is. I'm definitely going to be checking it out tonight. And the biggest selling point for me was the range. For me, the biggest problem with the Ring camera, besides the lag, which is extremely frustrating, where people could come to my door and leave, and I don't even get notified until they're walking away. But besides that, the fact that I can see the packages when they're delivered. So many times I'm on my camera and I look at my phone after Amazon delivers a package. I don't see it because I can't see it. Down below, the camera doesn't show that. This has two cameras. It's got a camera up front and then a camera up below, and you saw that really quickly in the video, how it had like a split line and then it showed the bottom. That is really cool, and I have never seen that. That alone is worth every penny on this camera. Now, setup was easy. I downloaded the app. There's a barcode on the back of this. I literally just scanned it, hit the plus, boom, done. Set it up with Alexa in 2 minutes flat, and I was able to access it through my Fire TV devices, through all my Echo devices. Really easy, and of course on my phone as well. So I want easy, I want cheap, I want good quality. I want the world. I'm a consumer just like you. This thing right here is going to take over my household. I have multiple Ring cameras that are going away. I'm getting all the Eufy ones, and you're probably going to see some reviews on this channel because I know a lot of people have asked me about security cameras and review security cameras for them. Guys, go Eufy. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like content like this, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up right below this video. That lets me know that you like this type of content and I can do it again. Thanks again, everybody. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.